Hello! In this tutorial we're going to see how to do sketches in Painter. I've seen a lot of people working differently in Painter. You should really find your way to be doing sketches, the way you feel more free or feel more comfortable. I like to combine images from photos I took and build up an extra kind of fantasy animal. I have here a few options. Like I got the head of a hen, the body of a seagull, and the legs of a tiger, and I just brought them up together and I made like a new different animal out of it. So I have another option for it, build up the same way. Like you can see that the cuts are very rough, so that I like to keep it rough as well, so that my imagination helps me building up all the holes that are still in there. And here would be another option, build up exactly the same way. What I would do after putting all these pieces together is I would start drawing using this as a base. And at the moment I would open up a new layer. This layer has to be on top of the layer with the image that is going to be used as guideline. Keep yourself a bit critical about all the informations that you need to be illustrating this new figure. Sometimes the photography is not really 100% what you would need to have all the information that is necessary for building up a new image. And sometimes using photo like as a photo is not a problem, but at the moment it becomes an illustration, things starts getting a little bit critical. Like if you would have the feet from the animal just really absolutely behind each other, and you would just be able to see one foot for an illustration, it could be a problem. As a photography, people seems to take things the way they are, and as an illustration, sometimes if you're working realistically, they can be a little bit critical, saying that the animal has just one leg. I'm just checking how this looks like till now. It's okay. It's good to sometimes be turning on and off the image to be sure that this is working up fine. We have as well in Painter the possibility of cloning and working with clone images, which is something that I would be doing right now if I would be really taking information straight from the cloned image. But in this case I don't think it's necessary, since we can do everything we need with the layers. So just going to do the tail. We're going to have a tutorial later about this quick cloning, but first I would like to keep it a little bit more simple. Let me check how this is looking right now. Okay, so one thing that I saw is that this wing is not going to be working so fine. If it's up here, it makes no sense. It would need to be coming more or less parallel to this one here. So I'm just going to select this part and I'm going to move it to the side a little bit. So let me just select it with the lasso tool. I'm pressing Command C to copy, Command V to paste, and I'm just going to move this a little bit to the side, maybe even a little bit more, like this. Okay, and now I can continue my illustration. Sometimes you really have to build up things that are not visible yet, which is good. Okay. This is a sketch, so no much details going on there. The details you could start building up later and bring all this information together and make this 3 parts of photo become one image. I'm going to be showing you the other sketching technique in the coming video. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye bye.